Hi, I'm Todd Blatt. This is a project from We the Builders, which is a crowdsourced collaborative 3D printing project. People from all over the world go to wethebuilders.com and download a part and print it out and mail it in. And this time we mailed all the parts. There was more than 400 parts, and we mailed them to Cairo. Some people mailed them to Baltimore and then shipped them to Cairo. And all the parts we started assembling, but some of the parts didn't make it this time. So we had to print them here at the conference. So we used the Creatables 3D printers to print, I think, more than 100 missing parts. So it was a lot of work, and they printed all the parts that we needed for the project. And me and the team and a lot of the volunteers, and then also attendees of the Fab15 Conference, assembled all these parts together. So we glued each layer, one layer at a time, by arranging and figuring out the XYZ coordinates, and then attaching them together. And then once all the layers were done, we stacked up each layer to finish the sculpture.